Did you know your car can last longer than most marriages in the US? That's right, hitting 300,000 miles isn't a miracle, it's a strategy. In this video, I'm dropping the 11 most effective tricks that'll help your car to surpass the 300,000 mile mark. We're also busting common myths and exposing the secrets shady mechanics don't want you to know. These aren't boring maintenance tips, they're battle-tested secrets from high-mileage drivers and trusted mechanics. Stick around till the end, because the final tip alone could save you over $1,000 in repair costs. Let's get into it. Trick number 11. Stick to the 5,000-mile oil change rule. Most drivers wait way too long to change their oil and it kills their engine slowly. Don't fall for the 10,000-mile myth that many manufacturers push. That's under ideal conditions, not city traffic, dusty roads, or short trips. Stick to 3,000 to 5,000 miles using a full synthetic oil for maximum protection. Old oil turns into sludge, which can block oil passages and starve the engine of lubrication. This can also lead to clogged filters, seized pistons, and blown gaskets. Fresh oil keeps friction and heat in check, prevents sludge buildup, and lets your engine breathe easy. If you want to see that odometer hit 300K, don't skip this step. It's the cheapest insurance for your engine's life. Trick number 10, let your engine warm up before you drive. This is one of the most overlooked but critical habits. When your engine is cold, oil hasn't fully circulated, and metal parts expand at different rates. Starting your engine and immediately flooring it is like sprinting without stretching. Let your car idle for at least 30 to 60 seconds, especially on cold mornings. This simple act gives oil a chance to coat and protect engine components before they're under stress. Over time, this reduces cylinder wear, valve issues, and even turbo damage if your car has one. It's a small patience tax that pays huge longevity dividends. Trick number 9, flush your cooling system. Every 2 to 3 years, coolant isn't just colored water. It is packed with anti-corrosion additives and lubricants that protect your water pump and cooling system. But over time, it becomes acidic and loses its protective qualities. This can corrode your radiator, eat away at gaskets, and clog heater cores, which can lead to overheating or total engine failure. If your engine's running hot, even with normal driving, degraded coolant is often the hidden culprit. That's why it's critical to flush your coolant system every 2 to 3 years, or every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. Flushing your system removes built-up scale, rust, and contaminated fluid. It keeps your cooling system working efficiently so your engine stays at the ideal temperature under all conditions. It's a cheap way to avoid a 2,000-plus engine rebuild. Trick number 8, don't use low-quality oil. Think all motor oils are the same? Think again. Opting for cheap, low-quality oil might save you a little cash now, but it can cost you thousands in engine repairs down the line. These cheap oils break down faster under heat, lose their viscosity, and often leave behind sludge and varnish that choke your engine's internals. They also don't protect well during cold starts, struggle under high temperatures, and often lack the crucial additives needed to reduce wear and tear. Over time, this leads to sticky piston rings, clogged oil passages, and excessive friction. Therefore, always choose a high-quality, fully synthetic oil that meets your vehicle's specifications. And also make sure it's from a trusted brand. If you're aiming for 300,000 miles, your oil is the first place to stop being cheap. Trick number 7, drive like you actually want the car to last. Want to squeeze every mile out of your engine? Then slow down and stop idling. High-speed driving puts extreme pressures on your engine, transmission, and cooling system. The faster you go, the harder your engine works, the more heat it generates, and the quicker it wears out. But idling is just as bad. It keeps your engine running without proper airflow or movement, which may cause overheating, carbon buildup, and fuel dilution. Instead, drive at moderate speeds, avoid jackrabbit starts, and shut the engine off if you'll be stopped more than a minute. Smooth and steady driving reduces stress on every major system, and that's how engines survive to 300,000 miles and beyond. Tip number 6, use the parking brake. Most drivers with automatic cars never touch the parking brake, but that's a costly mistake. When you park without engaging it, all the vehicle's weight rests on parking pawl, which is a small part inside your transmission. Over time, this part can bend, wear down, or even break, especially if you park on hills or uneven ground. Using the parking brake takes the stress off your transmission entirely and holds the car in place using the rear brakes instead. It also prevents your car from rolling if that pile ever fails. Whether you drive a manual or automatic, using the parking brake is a simple 2-second habit that adds years to your transmission's life and keeps your car safer when parked. Tip number 5. Follow the quarter tank rule. Running your car's fuel tank below a quarter isn't just risky for being stranded. It actually harms your fuel system and engine longevity. When the fuel level is low, the pump inside the tank can suck in dirt, sediment, and debris that settle at the bottom. This contaminates your fuel injectors and clogs fuel filters, which can lead to poor engine performance and costly repairs. Also, the fuel acts as a coolant for the pump, and running low causes it to overheat and fail prematurely. Many mechanics agree that keeping your tank at least a quarter full reduces stress on the fuel pump and ensures clean fuel flow. So don't wait for that gas light to flicker. Fill up early and often to protect your engine and keep your car running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles. Tip number 4. Wash the undercarriage to stop rust in its tracks. The body of your car might look spotless, but underneath is the place where the real damage often starts. Road salt, mud, grime, and even coastal moisture stick to the undercarriage like glue. And over time, they eat away at your vehicle's frame, fuel lines, brake lines, and suspension components. Rust doesn't just make your car look bad. It weakens structural parts, causes fluid leaks, and creates expensive repair nightmares. And here's the worst part. Many drivers never even look under their car until something goes wrong. That's why you should wash your undercarriage at least every few months. A clean undercarriage means a solid foundation, and that's essential if you want your car to go the distance and hit 300,000 miles. Tip number 3. Keep tires properly inflated and balanced. Tires aren't just about traction. They're the foundation your entire car rides on. Driving with underinflated tires makes your engine and suspension work harder, reduces fuel efficiency, and causes uneven wear that shortens tire life. On the other hand, overinflated tires wear out the center tread, reduce grip, and create a rough ride. But here's what most people miss. Unbalanced tires send constant vibrations through your suspension and steering system, which slowly wear out parts like shocks, tie rods, and ball joints. Therefore, make it a habit to check your tire pressure every month, especially when temperatures change, and always inflate to the PSI listed on the driver's door jamb. Rotate and balance them every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, and don't forget to get a wheel alignment at least once a year. Tip number 2. Check coolant leaks. Coolant leaks are one of the fastest ways to ruin an otherwise healthy engine. They often start small, just a drip here or there, and by the time you notice your temperature gauge spiking, it's too late. A slow leak from a radiator hose, water pump, or heater core can silently lower coolant levels until the engine runs hot and begins warping vital components. Therefore, it is recommended to make it a habit to check under your car for green, orange, or pink puddles, and keep an eye on the coolant reservoir level weekly. Catching leaks early is a cheap fix, but ignoring them? That's how you blow a head gasket and kill your dreams of hitting 300,000 miles. Tip number 1. Use only OEM or high-quality replacement parts. The parts you put into your vehicle directly affect its lifespan. OEM parts are designed and tested specifically for your car's make and model that ensure perfect fitment and optimal performance. On the other hand, cheap aftermarket parts may not meet the same standards. For example, low-quality oil filters can collapse under pressure and can allow debris into the engine. Similarly, poor quality spark plugs can misfire and cause poor combustion, reducing efficiency and stressing the ignition system. Over time, using poor quality parts adds up in extra repairs and long-term wear. Invest a little more upfront to avoid massive expenses later down the line. That's all for this video. Reaching 300,000 miles isn't luck, it's dedication. Every oil change, every fluid flush, every part replaced on time adds miles to your car's life. You don't need a brand new ride every 5 years. You just need the knowledge to care for the one you've got. See you in the next video.